So here we go. Let's jump in with number one. Being misunderstood is the cost of entry. Your success in life is proportional to your willingness to be misunderstood for long periods of time. Real innovation in any domain is about everyone agreeing with you later. In the moment, innovation is painful because it looks a lot like delusion to the outside world. Being misunderstood is the cost of entry to achieve the extraordinary. Being misunderstood is the cost of entry to achieve the extraordinary. I mean, this is true because I can relate it to athletes. If you want to be great as an athlete, or if you want to be elite as a human being, as a business leader, as a mom, as a parent, as anything, you're going to be misunderstood along the journey because that's what it costs. That's what it takes to become the best in the world at something that you do, or become the best version of yourself in greatest service to the world, because those that are not on that path don't understand. They think you're weird or crazy, or why are you being so consistent? Why are you not eating this? Or why are you going for an extra workout? Or why are you studying for another class? Or why are you going back to school? Or why are you taking that course? That seems odd and weird to other people who aren't on that same journey. Maybe they want to be, but they possess the same skills that everyone else does to go on that journey. They just haven't taken that leap of courage, that leap of faith, that this being misunderstood, that people not understanding why I'm doing what I'm doing, that I'm obsessed about this thing because I love it. It gives me passion. It gives me fulfillment. It gives me joy, that I'm willing to pay that price to achieve the extraordinary, right? I ask the athletes that I work with all the time, are you willing to pay the price? You want to be like the best athletes in the world. You want to be like Caitlin Clark and LeBron James and Luka Doncic and, Aaron Judge. You want to be like them. But are you willing to pay the exact prices they were willing to pay to get to where they're at? Are you willing to sacrifice some things in life that seem flashy and seem great and bring instant gratification? Are you willing to sacrifice those things to reach the level that they're at? Now, there's a harmony with this, right? Rest and recovery are extremely important when you're on this journey of being misunderstood. Until you become understood, then everyone's like, oh yeah, they did it, right? Listen to this, like again, from Sahil. Real innovation in any domain is about everyone agreeing with you later. In the beginning, they're like, this dude's crazy. Why is he doing this? Whatever. Then you get to the point where people notice you, people care about you. Now everyone's agreeing with you in your tactics and your strategies, but the cost of entry is always going to be that you're misunderstood. And what are those sacrifices that you're willing to pay? What's the thing that you want to go after, that you're willing to pay the ultimate price for, that you're willing to sacrifice your time, friendships, I don't know, whatever it comes with becoming really, really elite at that thing you want to do, whether that's be a business leader, an entrepreneur, a plumber, a parent, an athlete, it doesn't matter. Being misunderstood is the cost of entry to achieve the extraordinary. That's number one. Thank you very much for tuning in to that clip. If you enjoyed it, then you'll love the full-length episode right here. Click it. Go ahead.